Come on, they're blindfolded too?
I'm not blindfolded.
I don't understand why them
Sounds
take
like we're
a bit easy. Yeah, it sounds like we come back, but you're silent.
All
Hi
right.
everyone.
Come back.
Welcome back to Weekend Smiled. We have this thing in my nose. We have Amanda McCreath with us here, who used to be an architect, but had a journey that led her into cooking and being a chef. Amanda?
Yes. Can you see me? I'm
No,
right here.
no. Could you tell us a little bit about that journey and why we are blindfolded?
Well, that journey, to be honest, it started. I can't even say how it started. It was like I loved architecture, but I just had this passion for food. You're not supposed to eat it yet.
Why are you eating?
I just had this passion for food, and to be honest, when you have to like live your dream, you really have to do it. So that's how food started.
Did you go through formal training and stuff?
Absolutely not. I went to the University of YouTube and my mother's kitchen. It was excellent. Graduated with honors.
I love it. I love it.
I flunked out of that.
Oh,
Okay.
you did?
Easily.
Yeah, and then you know just tell me say you're going to something where you're good when you're chef and you do all that.
Hey.
Why do I feel like I can't speak properly through my blindfolded? I swear this is
All right,
really
so what
weird.
are we supposed to be doing today?
Are you supposed to have, you're doing a blind tasting, and there's a secret ingredient in each of those items, and you have to guess what it is.
I don't like eating.
No peanut.
So
Not
first
in
you
there,
have to
right?
guess, no peanuts?
Just have-
No peanuts.
just
You have
have-
to guess what you're eating, and then you have to guess the secret ingredient.
I don't like eating things I can't see.
Well, maybe you should eat the same thing at the same time.
Where
So
does
hold
it?
on, here. You want dessert first, or?
No.
Completely gone. All right, so this feels hot.
I don't.
It smells like callaloo.
I don't even.
We can start eat?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Congratulations.
That
We get it
easy.
first.
No, me neither.
All right, what's the secret ingredient?
Pepper.
No.
Is that herb?
Yes.
Cilantro.
No.
Basil.
No.
Thyme.
No.
What the box come?
Come on, more. Come, right there, come. Yes. Yes.
I call the thing again.
You don't know.
Just tell me, Sakina.
It's not what I think it was. Parsley.
Yes.
Yes, there it is.
No,
Parsley.
me not go say
That's why I
man.
said cilantro, because
It's
the parsley and the
parsley.
cilantro
No, me not go
taste
say
very
man.
Yes, that's parsley.
All right.
So now you have to go to the next item on your plate, which is on your fork right there. You're doing
On my fork?
Yes, no, it's not on your fork. It's on your fork. No, that's not you. Oh gosh, this is sad.
Say
Alright.
that, help me.
Oh, I don't know. Hold on. All right, it's on your fork.
Just stick the fork.
So why is it
Here.
what's I've seen over time people have been doing blind taste tests.
You don't like that one, does she?
Why do people do blind taste tests? Because I don't get it. Because it's potato this?
That's potatoes, and it has. I don't know if you're gonna like that
Garlic.
ingredient. No, it's not garlic.
It's what it
You
is.
see how Jamaicans don't know highfalutin food? That's truffle oil.
No, sir. You can't take this carrot back up your garden, Ramsey. I don't like it.
All right.
Name what?
Truffle oil.
And you know that smell? Is this a shrimp?
Yes, that's the shrimp.
Truffle? So I eat things I don't know?
Yes.
I ask you about the blind taste test. Yeah, blah. Because I asked about this blind taste test.
I'm so sorry about
Why are we
rudely
blind tasting?
spitting out the truffle oil potatoes. Is there something else I'm supposed to
Of course there is. Come.
Why are we
find
blind
it.
taste testing? Yeah.
About 10 plates to bring.
So
No,
come,
it's too. Come.
so I'm on there now, answer me.
What's?
Why are we blind taste testing?
Because that's.
Sorry.
There you go. And this is the second one.
Is it dessert?
Yes. There you go.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate.
Yeah.
You can't wait.
Why should I?
It's a
Don't you do that
pastry.
eating
It's a pastry.
But I know I taste chocolate. I'm supposed to tell you something else?
Yes.
Is cheese in this?
No.
I'm gonna tell you something about the icing because I know
Yeah.
I
What do you
taste like
taste in the
chocolate
ice cream?
chips.
Chocolate chips?
No, I taste chocolate chips somewhere in there.
Is it cheese tricks?
No, that's not cheese.
What is in the icing? Let me taste the icing alone.
Can you guess what it is?
Lemon?
No.
Cornmeal.
What is that?
Like cornmeal porridge.
Taste-
That's 14 karat gold.
What?
Yes.
Wait there, I must put a little bit, need a little bit more. Wait there. Nobody can tell me I never eat gold yet. edible gold flakes?
Yes, that's edible gold flakes. And it's actually a gluten-free brownie made from black beans.
Really?
Yes, and you'd never get
that
it
is
gluten-free.
so good.
What made from black beans?
Can I take this off? Mama?
Sure, you can take it off now.
I need to see the gold.
I no need to slow me eat.
I need to see.
Okay, is it
It's
made
like
from
all
black
over your
beans?
fingers.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, it's made from black beans as the flour, so it's gluten-free.
That smells like cocoa.
Because it's chocolate.
Black beans chocolate? Something gone on my nose.
You really just stuck your finger up his
Something gone on my
nose.
nose. Are your finger up in my nose? Hey, me not this blind thing again. Hey, let's take out this.
Okay, well, truffle oil, definitely not a fan. I can tell you that, but the shrimp is awesome.
Thank you.
You okay doing it?
Gourmet Jamaica.
Tell me a little bit about,
Yeah.
you have like potato onion or something. Tell me a little bit about your reason for cooking now, as in where do you cook, first of all, and why it is that you chose to just run away from architecture completely?
Well, for a couple of reasons. People need to eat more than they need to build houses. That's the first thing.
That's true.
But I genuinely love food. Every time I had, like, you know, when you run away, you'd run away to Pinterest or something like, oh, they're really still eating. That's why I
Yes,
cook.
the shrimp.
Yeah, but I've always been into food. I've grown up in a family that's been very oriented around the table, that type of thing. So our release was always cooking. And I found that if I could let people understand my journey through how I cook and everything like that, it was all worth it for me in the end. So that's why it switched from architecture to cooking.
And why did you choose to do a gluten-free brownie? I mean,
Because, you know, the
health-wise?
world is evolving right now. Everybody's moving to gluten-free, vegan diets. And,
True.
you know, I don't want them to feel limited. You can still have the foods that you love while satisfying your dietary needs.
most definitely, because this really tastes
You
good.
wouldn't
It
guess,
tastes like a piece of
that
chocolate.
it doesn't have flour in
Definitely. And so how much would I pay for this brownie with the 24 karat gold?
It's 24 or 40?
it. My email address is gourmetjamaica@gmail.com. You can send us a
Yeah,
email.
she now
and
got to
we
tell you
will
on
send
air
you a
because it's like 10
quotation.
grand for the brownie. Okay.
My brownie and cure blindness.
Yes, your blindness cured.
Yeah,
Well,
I can't see.
Okay, where can we find you if we want to have a little taste of your
Easiest
wonderful
way to
food?
find me is on Instagram, Gourmet Jamaica. I do not answer WhatsApp, so I would not say to WhatsApp me a message, but easiest way, gourmetjamaica@gmail.com or on Instagram.
Fantastic.
And we do a range of black tie catering to simple events, meal planning. I'm very into eating for specific needs, like if somebody's a vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, so that's why I tried to highlight. That's why I actually brought the brownie today.
Yeah, this is a very expensive plate right here. Truffle oil.
So you don't have a physical location?
I mean, for a chef, it's easier to come on site and cook. But if I need to have a location, I will. But it's easier to come on into your house, cook in your kitchen, or cook wherever you need us to cook. Like yesterday, we cooked in an office.
That was good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna keep this brownie if you don't
Nobody
mind.
can keep me brownie.
Okay, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
and
you so
thank
much
you for
for having
feeding us,
me.
because you know lately they've been starving
Well,
us. So
this is barely scratching the surface.
you're too craven, man. Sure. Chief Executive Officer of Gourmet Jamaica, Amanda McCree. Thank you for the blind tasting. Yum yum. More from the Jam Dynamites after this. Can I get your goal?
I don't think